Hey guys, this vlog is about my trip to North Sikkim back in December, and I have finally managed to compile it thanks to the lockdown. I took an early morning flight from Ahmedabad till Bagdogra, which also happens to be my hometown at the moment. After enjoying the hospitality at home, I packed my backpack and was ready to get this bread. On reaching the airport, I got acquainted with the fellow trekkers and we started on a 7-hour long road journey in a local jeep while listening to Nepali songs. We reached the village of Loom and had rice wine called Handia, which sounds super guju, and set up our makeshift tents in which we'd be sleeping in that night. The meal was prepared by the school authorities and I was honestly glad to get anything warm to function since it was almost 3 degrees outside. This was the view from our tents, and after a simple meal and the long hours of travelling, we called it a night. On the second day, each person was allotted a homestay, and I stayed with the lovely Lepcha family in a cute cottage that came under the organization Not on Map. It promotes the ideology of living like a local. They gave me warm blankets to sleep in and fed me local breakfast too. The rest of the day, I walked through the village and they took me to their animal farm and orange orchards. A slow, lazy day enjoying the hospitality and farm life in the winter sun makes me smile even now. After sleeping in at the homestay, the third day we went back to the government primary school and interacted with the authorities as well as the parents of the students to understand the problems education faces in remote areas of the country. I will vlog this. Right after that, we started a first trek which was about 12 kilometers till the village of Fidang and made a pit stop at the hydropower plant and interacted with the officials regarding the lack of electricity and the problems of construction in hilly areas.
No, don't. No, Praveen, no. Praveen, no. Don't do anything. No.
It won't do anything.
उयो जिल्ला सरले दिएको थिएँ जिल्ला के भन्नु
Wow,
चार
this car is stuffy. ये जाएगा group पे. Finally, we reached our destination to the Namprikdang Forest Guest House. We could walk down to the river Teesta from the guest house and were meant to meditate for 2 hours by the riverside. The sound of the river and on being surrounded by the mountains makes your problems seem small and insignificant, and you feel so cut off from the rest of the world, but in a good way.
Very nice.
The final day after eating a protein bar for breakfast, we started our trek at 7 am till the Buddhist stupa on top of a hill of Pakhil village, which was about 12 kilometers. We crossed bridges and mountains and finally could see the Kanchenjunga, but unfortunately I could not get much footage that day because hello, kind of in the middle of climbing a mountain here. After resting for an hour, we started for another 10 kilometers of trek towards the ex-MLA Sonam Gyatso's house and finally reached at about 7 pm. That evening, we spoke to him and the Panchayat members about the challenges he has faced in office to implement the government policies in the state. We all had a great conversation with the villagers over food and drinks by the bonfire overlooking the Himalayas. I had a lovely time, and this experience made me introspect of how little we need to survive, especially when we live in a materialistic world. The simplicity and the hospitality of the people in Sikkim won my heart, and this was a big life lesson not only to me but the entire team on what we can achieve if we aim at sustainable development and tourism by being humble and just simply respecting the environment.